Bror Fredrik coming at you with a quick update from the studio. Finally finished rebuilding my main editing station. I put on a new water cooler for the CPU. Picked up some new RAM, same RAM as the previous RAM, except now I am rocking 128 gigabytes. Changed all the fans. These are all thermal takes over there. And reseated the CPU up there and reseated all the chips on my 2080 Ti and increased my PSU. So it's running like a charm. Testing is done. Studio is almost done, and I can't wait to have you guys in here. Stay tuned for more updates. Bror Fredrik out.